Configuring accounts in CuteFTP. This tutorial will show you how to configure CuteFTP to connect to a server via FTP. Click the Site Manager button. Click the New button. Select FTP Site. Enter the site's label. Enter the host address. If your domain is still pointing to a different server or your DNS changes have not propagated yet, you can use the IP address of the server instead of a fully qualified domain name. Enter the username. Enter the password. Before we connect, let's take a look at some options that can be used to customize the interaction between CuteFTP and the server. Click the Type tab. Since we are using FTP to access the server, we're making sure that the port is set to 21. Click the Actions tab. From here, you can specify the start folders for both your local machine and the server upon connection. Enter the remote folder. For primary domains on cPanel accounts, this should be. For subdomains and add-on domains, if when connecting with the cPanel user, this should be. For subdomains and add-on domains when connecting with a separate FTP user, this should be. For primary domains on Plesk accounts, this should be. For subdomains on Plesk accounts, depending on the configuration of the subdomain, this should be. If this field is left blank, the remote directory will default to the user's home directory. Enter the local folder. Click the Options tab. Some networks or providers may require you to route the connection through a proxy server in order to connect. Here is where you can configure the settings if this is the case. Now let's connect to the server. Click the Connect button. Congratulations! You now know how to configure CuteFTP to connect to a server via FTP.